Hello, mentor teachers. Good afternoon. I would like to thank you for everything you have done to our resident teacher and the continued support for our UTRGB student and as well as the resident teacher. I know, this is the time for you to for the break or the summer break. But I would like to ask for a request for something that is really important for our resident teachers, or some signatures or information that we need to fill out on the watermark. So I'm going to share my screen as a tutorial for this. So these are the required. These are the required items that needs to be filled out by mentor teachers. So I know when we started this program, we don't have the watermark yet that time. So now we're going to start with, mentor signature. So this is 002. So for this one, you are going to do is so we have Chris and Perla hasn't signed yet. So you're going to click the student, and then what you're going to do is you're going to fill out this information. I cannot fill it out for you. So on your end, on your screen, it's different from mine. So you fill out this information, and then we did the t-test, and type your name and your t-test 2. Yes, we did that, and just type your name as well. Okay. You can use the date. I'm not sure if you remember the date we did the t-test 1 and t-test 2, but you can use the date today. Okay. And then let's go to next part is the signature. The signature 005, it's the same. It's just it's second semester. Residency, and I'm going to mentor. Next is signature is 005. It's the same thing you're going to do. So you're going to click your students, Chris or Perla, and then the same, you're going to input those dates, typing your name, final three-way, just write the date today, and those t-tests, just to fill out this information. Again, I'm not sure if you remember the dates. Then you know what? I will fill out the date. I will give you the dates. Okay, I will give you the dates. Okay. Next is profession mentor PDI 006. So on this professional disposition inventory, second semester, you're going to click this, and then you're going to click the student, and then there's an instructions here on how to fill out this rubric here. So you're going to click this, and you're going to click, let's say, domain 1. You mark them. You're going to evaluate them according to what you see during the class instruction, or how did you observe them. Basically, this is your own observation on the resident teachers. Okay. Go. Next is final is the recommendation 007. Mentor 007. Resident recommendation. The same thing, you're going to click the student or the resident teacher, and then you're going to, on your end, you're going to fill this out, everything, and then signature, and then click submit. So click submit on that side. Okay, that's basically it. And then after that, refresh your screen, and that's it. Okay, so you're going to do, so 4 things. These are mentor signature 002, mentor signature 005, mentor professional disposition 006, and mentor recommendation 007. Thank you so much for your support, for your continued support for our resident teacher and for future resident teachers. Have a good day. Enjoy your summer.